Here's a new 2019 Jeep Cherokee. You're going to want to take the long way home in this adventurously civilized Cherokee. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com reveals the 2016 Cherokee can deliver plenty of off-roading capability, but the bigger story is that it's civilized and comfortable enough to drive to work every day. Journey anywhere in a Jeep. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Olathe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram, we have an incredible inventory of new and pre-owned vehicles to choose from. Stop in and see us today.